Hey, Boca residents. So you have either moved here or you're living here in Boca Raton and you're like, what's up with the water, man? So here it is. The water comes from Biscayne Aquifer. It's a shallow aquifer, so there's a lot of organic matter in it. They add a lot of chlorine to the water. And because it's from an aquifer, that means it's sitting in bedrock, so it takes on the characteristic of that rock. So there's a lot of rock in the water. By the way, there's also radium in the water because there's radium under the earth, and as it's percolating up through the earth, it's attaching itself to the water droplet. Now, because they have so many organics in the water and they have to use so much chlorine, it's more than a pool. What we find is pools usually tested at 2 parts per million, and we're finding inside the house it's about 5. So people get out of their pool, they're like, wait a second, I'm showering in water with more chlorine than my pool. That doesn't make sense. It's like, yeah, that's true. So if this stuff concerns you, if you're seeing white film, get dry, itchy skin, if you're having some dry, brittle hair issues, certainly contact us. Reach out to us. We're happy to help you understand what it is. I'm Drew. My goal is to serve you.